Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Verify system time and NTP sync because SSL fails with clock drift. Next, check the certificate common name and SAN match the Rtmp domain you use. Mismatch causes invalid certificate errors. Also make sure you can read the certificate, private key, and CA chain on the server. Once those basics are done, place the files in a known path and set strict permissions so only the streaming user can read the private key. Now you install and configure. Place the full certificate chain and private key where your Rtmp server expects them. Edit the Rtmp config to point to full chain. PEM and privkey. PEM, not partial chains because missing intermediates trigger browser or client distrust. Make sure file permissions are restrictive, keys 600, cert 644, and the Rtmp process owner can read them. Once configured, reload or restart the Rtmp service so it reads the new files. Finish by validating the connection. Use OpenSSL client to inspect the presented chain and verify CN/SAN, expiration, and trust path. Then test with your Rtmp client. If you still see invalid certificate errors, reissue the certificate ensuring the CA included intermediates and proper chain order. If problems persist, enable verbose TLS and Rtmp logs. Bind the server to a temporary port to isolate traffic, and watch the handshake to see which certificate or chain link the client rejects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.